Good morning mga kagoti, yan. Maaga na naman tayo. Kasama na naman natin itong mga ating mga kambing. Yan. Sabayan natin ng mainit-init pa na kape. Yan. So ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin is tatanim tayo ng lemongrass tsaka sitaria grass, and then tuloy natin magtanim ng mulberry. Yung mulberry natin mga kagoti is ito na yung giant na, yung malalaki, hindi na siya native. So itatanim natin dyan, pakain natin yung dahon pag lumaki na, and then yung bunga naman pwede natin kainin kasi malalaki siya. Dito mga kagoti, oh. Ang ganda ng gising kapag ganito yung bubungan sa'yo. Hindi pa nanganganak itong mga ibang tupa, guys. Yan. Kaya pala, yung sinasabi ko noon na itong mga tupa natin, mga kambing natin, kinakain na nila yung bunga ng pinya. Yun yung problema natin ngayon. Kailangan dapat mahinog na sila para ma-harvest na, kaysa naman makarami pa sila. Hindi naman kasi lahat sila meron lang yung tirador talaga ng pinya na kambing, yung isa. Tapos kapag ito yung may kagat na, kakainin naman nitong mga iba. Eto guys, yung pinatanim natin na mais, yan. Ang dami na nila. Kung nakikita nyo, dikit-dikit talaga yan, kasi ang purpose niyan, ipapakain natin sa ating mga alaga. Kasi wala na, ang lahat ng paligid natin nagtanim na ng mais, wala tayong pamustulan, kaya kailangan natin magtanim. Ang tinanim naman namin kahapon ay yung napier grass, dinagdagan natin. Yan. Tapos kamote, nagtanim rin tayo ng kamote mga kagoti. Kagandahan kasi ng kamote, papakain natin sa kambing, kakainin din natin yung kung may laman. Ito naman, tanim natin yung mulberry.
Goodbye to my dad today. Sat and watched my everything extend his arms, take off up into the sky. I asked when he was coming back. He said, son, soon as you take your nap. So I just watched my superhero fly and fell asleep to the jingling of that lullaby his pocket change made when he shut the door, turned off the lights. He left the sweet smell of cigarettes, the taste of Johnny Walker Red on my cheek as he tucked me in at night. He said, I'll be back in a little while. And I smiled and said, fly on, Daddy, fly. Well, I was way too young to know back then that he was out there fighting to pay the rent, breaking his back to build us all a better life, a home that he could be proud of.
Alright! Tapos na natin. Nakakapagtanim na tayo ng mulberry mga kagoti. Yan. Tapos na rin natin tong kape natin. Pack up! And then kunin natin yung yung napier grass. Papakain natin. Meron pa naman tayong itatanim dyan, yung kamote. Pero siguro mamaya balik muna tayo. Punta muna tayo mag-breakfast. Di ba tayo mag-breakfast? Gagawin natin, Lahat kunin yung napier grass, pakain natin sa kanila. Ito, papakain na natin itong napier grass, mga kagoti. Yan. Almusal nila. Tara. Yan guys, oh. Dito na tayo. Umiikot tayo. Tingnan nyo, nag-aabang na sila. Maalis sila. Yan si Rigor, oh. Kaya na lang natin dito. Wala tayong dalang molasses, mga kagote.
He really loves what kept him out there working day and night. To the sound of that jingling, that ringing of his pocket change reassured him everything would be alright. Well, as he inhaled his cigarette, took a swig of Johnny Walker Red, he stopped and thought real hard about his life. Man, I've had quite a ride. And he smiled and said, "Fly on, Daddy, fly." I was there to say goodbye. Watched my daddy close his eyes. Saw my superhero take his last breath. And as I was looking down, I heard an all too familiar sound, a sound I won't ever soon forget. It was the sound of my pocket change, singing and jingling, telling me everything would be alright, and that my dad was in a better place, a smoking hand smirk on his face. It was my turn now to carry on his life, so I extended my arms up high to the sky.